How to make a paracord bracelet, the grin of a wolf. Hello my friends, welcome back to the Alpha 1982 YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. Today's bracelet design is done by our friend Pavel Makurin over the Cetus 550, so make sure to check the description box down below where I will leave the link to Pavel's Instagram profile. For today's project we're gonna use this sky blue paracord, also this mint green Paracord 550, and if you wanna learn how to make this 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends, the full tutorial you have in top right corner information cards of this video, also down below in the description box. There you can find as well the tutorial for this beautiful paracord bracelet without the buckles, with the diamond stop knot, the Mad Max style, so make sure to check the information cards and the description box down below. Now when we created our bracelet base or a core, we're gonna insert our secondary paracord or a collar, and we're gonna start with the project. So I'm gonna insert the sky blue, and now we're gonna start. We're gonna take our mint green left side and we're gonna cross it and pass it through the middle of the bracelet core, like so. And we're gonna do the same with the right strand. Mint green, we're gonna pass it from the top into the middle of a bracelet core and to the side. Now we're gonna take the sky blue paracord and we're gonna pass it under the mint green, like so. And from the top we're gonna insert it into the gap between first and the second core strand of the left side, so from the top into the gap, and then we're gonna pull it and we're gonna pass it through the loop on the right side, so through. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the left side. We're gonna take the sky blue, make it under the mint green, and then around, and from the top side we're gonna pass it through the loop, through the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side. So from the top through the gap, and then we're gonna pass it through the loop on the left, like so, and pull it. So this is the basically knot we're gonna use today, or a weave for our bracelet. Now I'm gonna lock it, secure it, and proceed. So once more, the green from the top into the middle, like so, and the right side mint green also from the top into the middle of the bracelet core and to the side. Now the sky blue under the mint green, around, and from the top side into the gap between first and the second core strand from the left side, so from the top into the gap, like that, and then through the loop on the right side. Now the same on the left side, under the mint green, around, and from the top insert it into the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side, and then under and through the loop on the left. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!